Good evening. In this video, we will explain the ETL process. The first thing we are going to do is to create a database. We go to where it says root localhost and right click and select create database. We place the name. In this case, we are going to create the entity team. Okay, and we click on create. Okay, it is here. It is here. New query editor. Okay, in the query we are going to put the code to create the new table. We place the ID. No, create table team. First ID team. Okay. First ID team integer auto increment. So increment and primary key. Primary key. Okay. Next name team. Name team. The type varchar. Char the length. Okay. With length of 250. Okay. The next is city team. The city team. A city of team with data type is same varchar. Varchar with a length of 250. The next president, the team president team. Data type is same varchar. Varchar 250. Okay. And team foundation team. Type date is data type date. Okay. Data type date and select and play. Okay. We are going to select table. Select all from the name of entity team. Select and execute and play. Okay. Okay, and ready. We have our database. The next now let's go to the browser and search for Mokaroo to get data. Okay, Mokaroo link. We place the names of the variables and data types. For example, ID team, payroll number, name team, city team, name team, city team, president team, and foundation team. Okay, the data type, the president team is last name. The foundation team is the date, data time, the format. Okay, day, month, year. Yes. We are going to get a thousand data and select generate data and do land. The format is ACV, row thousand data and generate data. Okay, we open the Excel file. Okay, yeah, we open the Excel file. The first step of the ETL process is extract. We have already obtained the data for Mokaru. Now let's transform the data. We are going to select with the left tick on the letter. Select date. And then we go to the data option and the option of the text in column. Next. Yeah, and here we select another on a space, separate by commas, click on next. Next. And finally, yeah, we have our data separate. Okay. The next process is to set the data format with the order of year, month, and day. For that we will use the year function. Saying year yes equal today and open parentheses and select the column. In this case the column is the letter E and enter. Okay, the same for month and day. The same month parentheses yeah, okay, and the and select the column of the foundation team. In this case is letter E. Okay, and enter. Click. They is similarly. Well, yeah. Select the column and close parentheses. Okay. Yeah. Okay. In another column, we are going to concatenate with the format that allows in the database. That is, for example, is year, day, year, month, and day. Okay. The function is concaten. Well, concat. Select the column of the year. In this case, is letter if. and select the month is letter J. Okay. And then select the day, the column of the day, that date of day. In this case is H. G E G H is listo. Okay, and enter, and click. Okay. Now in our database we are going to insert a new data, and we will the copy the query. Come on, go to the SQL log and insert the of data. In this case is insert into the name of the entity team, parent, name team space city team, name team city team, president, president team, foundation team, values, for example, name, LDU, city Quito, president C, president is Jose, and okay, and date of 2990. Okay, okay, 10, 25. Select all, and execute query. Play. In this case, error is yes. Okay. For compromission is we are going to select all from name of the entity team. Select all from team and execute query. Okay. We check making a select. In this case, already we can see that the data was inserted. 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 Okay. Copy the query. Copy the query and the Excel file. Let's concatenate. Function concat. Igual concat bracket and semicolon bracket and paste the query. and delete and brackets and two semicolon and select of the column of the name team, in this case column B, name team column B. Okay, and city team bracket semicolon and select of the column the city team, letter column C. Okay, similarity is okay. Now we are going to change the value that is for the value of the column of the each attribute. Brackets, semicolon, two semicolon, and select of the team president. In this case, column D. And finally, is foundation team. Okay, foundation team brackets semicolon and new format date. Okay, letter A2. Okay, we do this all the data, but we are going to have a small problem. It is that some of the data have a apostrophe. Then using Control plus B, control, uh, we are going to replace the apostrophes by the letter or blank space to avoid errors. In this case, apostrophe or letter A. Okay. Replace all. Okay. Stop. Vamos. Close it. And B. Okay. Replace. And present team. Select column. And to B. Replace. And 11 replace. Okay. Close. And click in this. Click here. Okay. Copy all records. Let's paste them into the database. For example, and paste and select all of them and click on the execute icon. Okay, select all and click and execute query. Okay, execute query. It's loading. It's loading. Copy all records and let's paste them into the database. Okay. We make a select for comprovate of the date. Okay. And ready. We have our data loaded. It's 1000 data. This is all. Thanks. Thank you for your attention.